So guys, this is 24 hours. I soaked this corn. The corn is a bit hard. That is why I soaked it for that long. So now I'll pour this water out, rinse it one more time, and then I'll blend. So I'll take it over to the sink now to pour out the water. So this is it. So into the blender it goes. So I'm going to blend it until I finish. I advise, if you don't have a strong blender, please take it outside for them to blend for you. So guys, this is what we have here. I'm going to do this now until I finish blending. Then we now sieve. So my people, after blending the corn, this is what we have here. So now we are going to sieve. You now have to get your cheesecloth to sieve, because you need a sieve that has tiny hole so you can get your pap, your akamu or your ogi. So as you can see here now, I have this big bowl with my cheesecloth and I tied it to be very tight so that the work can begin. It's not easy, but we want to drink akamu. So now I'll take like this, add it here, and the water gets down. You start rubbing it like this. It's just because I'm making much for the family, that is why I'm using this big bowl. If not, I would have used a smaller bowl. By the time you rub it in like this, the shaft will now be on the cloth while your akamu goes down under the bowl. So I'm going to do this like this till I finish. I'll take it out, then I'll add more. There's nothing inside here again. You just continue like this until you are done with the grinded or blended corn. If you don't want your corn to be pure white, you can mix it with the yellow corn so it will look like custard. You can even add dawa, you can add millets, you can add guinea corn. Depends on how you like to take your pap or your akamu. You can even add ginger. So this is the shaft, there's nothing in there again. So I'll continue. This is where the work is. So respect that akamusela, When you see her, respect her, because it's not easy. Some people do this to make a living. It's a good business if you have the strength to do it. So guys, I'll continue. Guys, this is not easy. So my people, see where I am now. This thing is not easy. Like I said, respect the pap woman, the ogi woman that comes to sell ogi in your door front and say buy ogi. Respect her. This thing is not. Wait. Yeah, as you can see, I am done and dusted. I almost poured in the shaft inside the already washed pap, but thank God it didn't happen, because I'm not sure I can do it all over again. But this is what we have here. You can see the bowl of water. So I'll allow this thing to rest for like 1 hour. Then I'll now pour it into a transparent bucket for the pap to settle more. maybe I might need overnight to settle more, then we cannot get our akamu or ogi out from it. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, I had to pour in the sieved akamu in this bucket. Later, the akamu will settle down while the water floats on top. Then I'll pour the water out, and the bottom we get our akamu. So I'll leave this one like for 1 or 2 hours. Let it settle down very, very well. Then we'll come back to take our akamu or ogi. See you guys. So my people, this is what I have here. But before I continue, if you are seeing the video for the first time, please subscribe. If you have been following me, thank you so very much. Keep liking my videos, keep sharing, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on your bell so when I post any video, you'll be first to know. So this is the ogi or akamu or pap. The raw one is called akamu, while the already made one is called pap. So this is what we have here now. You can see that the pap is settling down. This is the water. The water is from here to here. I'm going to drain it out. Then it's still settling down. The water will still settle more. So I'll take out some of this water and leave it to continue settling until all the water has settled, and I pour them out. They'll now collect our akamu. So guys, I'm still going to leave it to keep settling, for the akamu to keep settling. Then I'll come back. My people, you can see our bucket. You can see the demarcation, the water and the pap. So I'm going to drain out the water on top. Then we get our pap. After now, I'll take a cheesecloth, pour this one at the bottom in it, squeeze it tight so you have the pap in block shape. So now I'll pour out this water, then put some here and make some pap. And this can go with soft akara, moi moi, or you can take it with bread, anything you feel like taking it with. So let me just drain out the water now and I'll come back. So I've drained the water now, and everything we have here now is pap. You see, this is our pap. This is our pap. You see it, this is our pap. After draining the water, so I'll take some in here. I have my water boiling now, so I can make some pap. I think this is enough now. Yeah. So like I said, I'll put this one in a cheesecloth and drain out all the water completely. But if you don't want to do that, you can get a bigger bowl, then pour it in, then put it in the fridge like that. Whenever you want to make your pap, you just take from it. So this is my hot boiling water. I'm going to pour it in here now. I'm using this plate because at times when you are making pap, it doesn't get really cooked after adding water. So you have to take it to the fire to cook very, very well. But this one cooked so well. So this is our pap. Wow, this pap really came out very, very, very well. Though it's a bit tedious making pap, but it is good for you to make your pap at home because it is more hygienic. Because most times when you get to that public engine, you don't know what they have used the engine to grind, and some particles might enter into your pap. So if you can and you have a strong blender, advise you prepare your akamu or ogi at home. So guys, so this is what we have. This is our pap. Wow, it came out so really well. You can now pour in your milk, add in your sweetener or anything you take your pap with. So guys, this is this as per making your ogi, akamu, or whatever you call it in your place. This is how to make it. So guys, I thank you for watching with me, and if you are joining for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, keep sharing and keep liking. Guys, I will see you in my next video. Thanks and bye bye.